In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and share Airtable forms. Whether you're looking to streamline your data collection or simply want to create a customized form, this guide will lead you through the necessary steps, ensuring you can build and share your forms effectively. First, you need to navigate to the Airtable website. Open your preferred web browser and type in the URL, which is simply airtable.com. Once there, look towards the top right corner of the home page where you'll find the Sign In button. Click on it to proceed to the login page. If you already have an Airtable account, this is where you'll enter your login details. Go ahead, fill in your email and password and click on Continue to access your account. In case you're new to Airtable, be sure to set up an account by following their sign up process before moving forward. Now that you're logged in, you're ready to access your Airtable dashboard. From here, locate the base table that you want to work with. Your base acts as the fundamental building block within Airtable, housing all the data relevant to your project. Find the base associated with the data you want your form to interact with and select it. Next, you'll be given the option to either choose a pre-existing template or design a new form from scratch. It's entirely up to you. If you're not sure where to start, I recommend browsing the pre-made templates available to get a feel for what might best suit your needs. They're specifically designed to cater to various data collection requirements, from project management to task tracking, and much more. Once you've picked a form template, click on Use Template. This step will allow you to customize the selected template to better accommodate your specific data inputs or requirements. After making your desired adjustments, it's time to integrate this form into your Airtable base by clicking on Add Base. With the form now set up, your next task is sharing it with the relevant audience. Click on the Share button located within the form's interface. You'll have the option to input the email addresses of those you'd like to invite to fill out the form. This makes distribution straightforward and ensures your data gathering process remains organized. Finally, after entering the recipient emails, simply click on Invite. And that's it, your form is now ready to be distributed and utilized by others. Remember, you can always revisit and tweak your forms to match any new requirements or insights you gain. I hope this guide has empowered you to create and share your Airtable forms with ease. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to check out our other videos for more tips on maximizing your Airtable experience. Thanks for watching and happy form creating.